When choosing the right bidding strategy for advertising campaigns, it's important to look at several key factors. The bidding strategy you select can affect how much you pay for ads, how often they appear, and how well they perform. Here's what to keep in mind. User journey complexities. One of the first things to consider is how complex the user journey is for your target audience. If your audience takes longer to make decisions, you might need a strategy that focuses on increasing visibility or generating engagement at multiple touchpoints. Alternatively, if they make quicker decisions, you may want to prioritize conversions with a bidding strategy focused on driving sales or leads efficiently. Performance goals. Another important factor is your performance goals. Are you aiming for brand awareness, clicks, conversions, or something else? Each type of goal requires a different bidding approach. For example, if you're looking to increase traffic to your website, a cost per click strategy might work best. If your goal is to maximize conversions, a cost per acquisition strategy could be more effective. Aligning your bidding strategies with your specific performance goals ensures that your ad spend is being used efficiently. Auctions and competition. The auction system plays a big role in determining your bidding strategy. Online advertising platforms often use a competitive bidding environment where your ad is compared to other advertisers who are targeting the same audience. Understanding the level of competition in your industry can help you choose an appropriate strategy. If competition is fierce, you might need to bid higher to win placements. On the other hand, if there is less competition, you may be able to adjust your bids to focus on efficiency and cost effectiveness. In conclusion, when deciding on a bidding strategy, advertisers should think about the complexities of the user journey, their specific performance goals, and the competition landscape of the auction system. Each factor will guide the best approach to achieve optimal results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.